You may have heard of drone cameras, but you've probably never seen one that emerges from inside a phone. VIVO is about to turn this dream into reality. If you've ever wanted a drone feature on your mobile device, VIVO has created an incredible drone camera phone for you. Instead of a traditional front camera, it will feature a mini 200 megapixel drone camera located at the top of the phone, which can be flown to a certain distance using the phone to capture photos and videos. If you're interested in buying this phone, make sure to watch the full video where we'll cover all the leaked details, including features, price, and launch date. Let's dive in. Display features of the VIVO Flying Drone Camera Phone. The phone will feature a 6.95-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with 4K resolution, as per the company's claims. It will also come with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate, a 39Hz touch sampling rate, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating for durability. Camera setup. The phone's standout feature is its 200 megapixel drone camera, which can be controlled via the phone to capture both photos and videos. On the back, the device will have a triple camera setup, including a 108 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Processor. The phone will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring smooth gaming and multitasking. Additionally, it will run on Android 15. Battery backup. VIVO is equipping the phone with a powerful 9000 mAh battery. It will also feature a Type-C 3.0 port and support 150 watts fast charging for quick power-ups. Price and launch. Date. The estimated price of this drone phone could be around $2,000, with the potential launch set for 2025.